Hello everyone, I am here today to answer some of your questions which has been regularly asked by a lot of my students online and offline. So I thought why not make a video out of it and post it across our channels for the larger audience. You can also benefit by posting a lot of your questions which you have in mind across our social media channels, and my team would take it up. Every alternate day we will be posting 3 questions and which are regularly asked, and hopefully that would solve a lot of your queries. Thank you so much, and let's get going with the first question of the day.
So the first question is, how difficult it is to get permanent residency in Germany?
So regarding the PR, the citizenship which everybody has in mind, how easy it is to get in Germany. Well, there are various ways by which you can get this citizenship. The easiest way I think is, find yourself a girl and get married. I think this is one of the easiest way to get a PR and settlement in Germany. But jokes apart, the important task is how you can apply for your PR. After you have completed your studies, bachelor's or master's in Germany, and started to work for a company, the important topic is that you get an open-ended contract with the company, which means there is no time limit with respect to the work which you are assigned. If you have this open contract, you can immediately apply for a European Union blue card. So this is EU blue card, which is somewhat similar to the green card which Americans issues, but then this is entirely to be used in Europe. And with the EU blue card, when you are working for a particular company for more than 22 months, you would actually be able to apply directly for the PR. In between, if you are not changing any companies, you can apply for the PR holding a EU blue card and working for a company for more than 21 months.
So the next question is, till what level of German language is required to get a job in Germany?
So regarding this question about what kind of German proficiency one would need in order to get a better job in Germany, I think it is highly required. German proficiency would distinguish you between non-European and people from greater European region, economic area region. If you can speak German language, it becomes quite easier for you to integrate, as well as the interviewers sees in you somebody who is looking to integrate himself or herself into the culture and environment. So if you can speak up to B2 level of German while you are studying, I think you make a great choice for a lot of employers to get employed.
And the last question is, how hard is the education system in Germany to do a master program?
So to do a master's program in Germany, it's actually quite okay. If you are a qualified student, if you are a qualified international student with the prerequisites, it is not that difficult. German universities and the program and the lectures are usually take place in English language for the program which you have applied. Mostly international students would like to pursue English master's program. The focus is also on a lot of technicality and research, which I think what makes this master's program in Germany unique. You get to understand in depth regarding a particular topic for which you have applied, and when you finish your program, you come out actually with those skill sets which are needed in the German job market or market elsewhere. So it is not that difficult to do a master's program in Germany, provided you have certain scores which are needed, which are mandatory and required by these universities for you to give you a choice to study.
Thank you, sir, for answering all the questions.
Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. If you have more questions like this, do post them in the comment box so that they could be featured in my next video. Thank you so much, and bye bye for now.